So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to set up MetaTrader 4 on an Android. So first of all, you're going to go to the Play Store. You're going to type in MetaTrader 4 and open that. So once you come over to the MetaTrader 4 app, what you're going to do in the top left-hand corner, there'll be three little lines. You're going to click on that and it's going to give you manage accounts. Click onto there. Once you've done this, it'll give you the MetaTrader 4 option at the top. You're then going to click on the little plus arrow and you're going to click on login to an existing account. Once you click onto this section here, it's going to give you the option to find your broker. So obviously, let's say it was Vantage International Live 12, for example, on here. So you click on that and it'll give you the option to put in your login or your password. In this section here, please do not copy and paste it over. Put it into your notes tab and make sure that you copy and paste it from your notes into the MetaTrader 4 app. For some reason, it doesn't like when you do that. So now what we're going to do is we're then going to come over. Let's say it's all set up. We're all good to go. In the bottom left-hand corner, you can see two little arrows. We're then going to click on that and now come over to the pencil icon in the top right-hand corner. Click there. And you're going to click on the little bin in the top right and delete all of these off. We don't trade any other currency pair other than XAU USD. For some reason, it might not let you delete Euro USD. If that's the case, then we don't delete that off. But then we click on the plus and we would find symbols and we would type in XAU USD, click on that one, add that one on, and then you should have that there on your home screen. So then when it comes to placing the trade, let's say a trade idea has just come through this exact minute to sell gold. So we're now going to be looking to sell XAU USD. You would simply click on it and it'll give you the option of a new order. So we're going to click on that. And then here you need to have it where it says instant execution at the top. You can then see in the middle it has 1.00. This is your lot size per pip. So if you've got a smallish account, you want to make sure here that you've got this set at whatever's perfect for your risk management. But let's just use 0.01 as an example right now. It's then going to give you the option to buy or sell. So in this scenario here, we're going to sell. So we click on sell and then we click on hide. That should be up and running on here. Did it sell? New order, sell. So we'll just keep that on there. So, there we go. So we're now selling. I'm not sure. Our order is open. So here now we've got the order open on 0.01. So that's 10 pence per move. We're then going to go back and do this again at a 0.10. Okay, so this is now £1 per move. Okay, so now we're going to do 0.01, 0.1. This is obviously on a demo account, so it's just messing around a little bit. So now we have two positions open, 0.01, 0.10. We can go do this again. I'm just showing you guys here the different denominations. You would then do that at 1.00 and you would click on sell again. Okay. What's going on? Hide. For some reason, it's giving me invalid prices. New order, 1.00, sell. Order is open. So now we have three trades. So at this point, you want to act as quickly as you can when it comes to placing the trades. So now we're going to hold this down. And here we're going to click on modify order because we didn't put any stop losses in. We didn't put take profits in because we want to instant execute. Then we're going to come back over and where the red underline is, you're going to want to come into here, delete all of that off and type in the stop loss that we give. Type in the take profit that we give. So for example, in this scenario, we will do that. We'll click on modify. So we've now got the trade modified. We have our stop loss on. We have our take profit on. And as you can see here, we're $7 in profit. We're winning. Okay. We can do that exact same with 0.10, modify the order. We'd go in, we would put the stop loss in, delete that off, 3356. We'd put the take profit in as 3344, for example, whatever we recommend. Modify, click on done. And then on this one as well, we click on modify. So now we have all of the trades set up with stop losses, with take profits, So now we have all of the trades set up with take profits, with stop losses, and they're good to go. So now if you wanted to go on there, and for example, this one that's winning, you wanted to close it, you could hold that down, click on close order, close with 51 pence profit. And as you can see here on the history tab in the bottom corner, you can see now that we've made 33 pence and we've taken the trade.